Oh, one other thing, I was just thinking about that. So the reason why I've started this video and talking about this is I saw a great reel on Instagram about the amount of rubbish in clothing stores and this seasonal stuff with all these plastic clothing and junk and just horrible stuff. So I'm all about using what we have and upcycling and having fun. I almost think I could do a workshop where you bring some clothes and we play maybe for 3 hours. You just do a panel. And there's only so many pouches and cushions and things like that I can make. So I personally like to wear what I make, and maybe I could show people how a bit more. And we start with a panel and you build. I will collage and add more and cover up some of the wide area and things like that. But what do you think? Well, here I am this morning and I've got a video on Roxy's Creations. She's actually Rachel's doing some paper journaling stuff, but let's start another project, hey, because we don't have enough. So what this is a dress of mine. Now, I got it secondhand on eBay, and it is a Bohemian Traders dress. I love their dresses. They're very voluminous and lots of fabric and big puffy sleeves and things like that. I got it secondhand, so it's a bit thinner, and of course straight away the cat grabbed the skirt of it. Oh, there's my dog again. Badger, outside. Oh, the pug. Out! He's found something on the ground. And I thought I'd upcycle it a bit because of that. I did repair it with a sort of sashiko finish. Actually, let me find it. Okay, I haven't ironed it, but this is on the hem of the skirt. And all I did was, let's get this in focus, is add a bit of fabric underneath. So this is, you don't have to be really fancy with this kind of upcycling, but because this skirt has a lot of frill, I don't know if you can see here, sorry, it's ruched along here. When it falls and you walk, you don't see that anyway, but I did think then it would be fun to keep going on it. Sorry, I'm hand holding today, so it's not that great. Oh, where is it? Where's the bit I'm working on? And of course I'm in bed. It's almost 7 o'clock, but I got up really early and I thought I'd start this project. Here we go. So this is the top chest area. You can see that's where you tie it. So this is the shoulder up here. This is the armhole. And I'm just starting to add a bit of the old doily and a rose. And what else have I got? I've got bits and pieces I'm playing with, so I'm not sure what I'll add. I did have pansies a second ago. They're long gone. I'm using lots of my offcuts of things like my own fabrics. Oh gosh, where did I put it? Here it is. Of course, my favourites. I did find another pansy too that someone else had fussy cut and put in a bag of scraps, different colourways, but I'm not sure what else I'll add at this point. But I just thought I'd start on this one, see where it takes me, and just have fun. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect or a certain colour or whatever. Just makes it into something. I don't tend to pick this dress up. I don't know why. I don't tend to pick it up, but then I thought that doesn't mean it's over. It means it's the beginning. So I've got lots of scraps, beautiful linen, and I'm just deciding what might go on there. Some of my fabric, and this is a nice piece with the flowers. So we will see. I'll keep doing another 10-20 minutes of it and then start my day. See you guys.